guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will be doing my cleaning routine. The first thing that I like to do is turn on some music because I cannot clean without jamming out to my favorite songs. So that's the first thing that I do. I wanted to do this video for you guys since I haven't done a cleaning routine since I moved into my dream home. If you guys didn't know, I did move in almost a year ago now. It's been 10 months since I've moved in, so I thought it was time. I'm just going to fast forward through the clips of everything that I'm doing. I usually have a lot of clutter in my kitchen area because this is where all of my packages sit when I get them, and it tends to just really pile up. So once I have removed most of the clutter, I'm actually going to head into my laundry room and get my laundry started so that that can be going while I'm cleaning the rest of my house. After I'm done with folding my laundry, I'm going to head back into my kitchen and just remove everything from my island area. I use the Mrs. Meyer's multi-surface cleaning spray. I use this just for everyday use. If I feel like I need to do more of a deep clean, I do use a more intense cleaner, but for an everyday use, I really like this. The scent that I'm using is limited edition. They still have it at my local Target, so if you guys are interested, I would definitely recommend trying it out. It smells so good, and I'm going to be so sad when they stop selling it. So once I'm done, I'm just going to put everything back onto my island and light a candle. Next, I'm going to turn on my RoboVac so that can be doing some work and vacuuming my floors while I continue to clean. Next, I'm just going to clean the remaining parts of my counters, just taking mostly everything off. If it's not a super deep clean, I don't take absolutely everything off the counter, just the parts that I feel like I use the most. I am also going to clean my stove and wipe it down. Like I said, this is more of my weekly cleaning routine, so I am using more gentle products. If I felt like I needed to do more of a deep clean, I would use different products. Once I'm done with the main kitchen area, I'm going to move over to my dining area, and I'm just going to wipe down my table with the same Mrs. Meyer cleaning spray. I always like to spray down my kitchen sink as well, just because it does get kind of gross if you're washing dishes, so I always make sure to wipe that down as well. Next, I'm taking some of these stainless steel wipes, and I'm just going to be wiping down all of my appliances to get all of the gunk and fingerprints off of them. So this is the after. I removed all of the clutter and it makes it look so much better. I have my beautiful kitchen back. Now we are moving into my living room area. As you can see, again, pretty cluttered. My couch is kind of a mess. It's all destroyed from laying on it. The first thing that I do is I move my coffee table and vacuum my little area rug. This does get a decent amount of stuff on it. It gets a lot of fur from my doggies, and it also gets just a bunch of other stuff on it too. So that's the first thing that I do. And then I go ahead and vacuum my couch. I use this little attachment that came with my vacuum that is made for removing dog hair. This thing is absolutely amazing. I definitely didn't think of the color of my couch when I was buying it. I wish I would have gotten a lighter color. Because one of my dogs and my cat have the tan hair, you can see their fur all over the couch, so I do like to keep that blanket, as you can see to the left there, just so it can kind of protect the couch a little bit more. So I do like to vacuum it weekly to keep up with it. I am going to take a disinfectant wipe and just wipe down my coffee table and fold my little dog's bed, and then I'm just going to also use a disinfectant wipe to wipe down my TV stand and all around that area. After that, I am done with my cleaning routine. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel down below. Also, let me know if you would like to see more cleaning videos, and I will see you in my next one. Bye, stay marvelous.